So here I'm going to show you how to use a smart key entry. So you have the key that came with the lock here, that's the main key, and this is a new key that you wanted to use instead of this key, so you don't have to carry two keys at a time to unlock different rooms. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So the one thing that you need to make sure is that your new key here fully inserts into the key, which it does, right? If it doesn't, then it won't work. And also, first you wanna use your master key, which is the key that came with the lock here. You insert it, okay? You insert it in like the step 1 here. So you have a reference here. So just insert, okay? And step 2 is you turn 90 degrees clockwise. So turn right here, 90 degree. You hear a click right now. And step 2 is you use a SMARTKEY tool, which is provided, and that's the one that came with the box here. And then that you press on that small hole that you see on the bottom here, right? You press on that activates the smart key. So that looks like a tool like this. Press it and you hear a click, then remove it, okay? Then so we're in step 3, okay? So we press this, then remove that key. After pressing it, remove it. So without moving the position. And step 3 is insert the new key that I have here, and you insert it like that without moving it, okay, fully. Okay, it goes fully here, and make sure it goes fully, right? Like it's fully inserted. And step 4 is you turn 180 degree counterclockwise. So turn it 180 and stop there, okay? And next step is you go clockwise 90 degree. So we did 180 counterclockwise, then 90 clockwise, and what you do is go clockwise. That's the initial position. And remove your key here, step 5, right? Remove the key and then make sure it works, then remove your key here. Okay, so now if I lock the door like this, so this is not locked since I can move. Lock, it doesn't move, okay? Then I used my new key here. Is it gonna lock? Look at this. Ta-da! And my old keys, that's the one that came with the box here, shouldn't be able to unlock it anymore. So this, if I lock it, I use my new key, lock, my new key unlocks it, right? Then now we test with the new key, I mean the previous key, the main key. So we lock it, shouldn't be able to unlock it, right? Yeah. Okay, so that means it deactivates the previous key, and make sure that you keep this key for, you know, using another key if you want to use another key, because it won't work anymore with this key to activate it, the smart key. Alright, hope you guys find this useful. Like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.